Good morning, students. Standard 6, Subject Social Science. Chapter 2, Journey from Primitive Man to Settled Life. Choose the correct alternative from those given below. Each question and write in index letter alphabet in the provided against each question. First, how was primitive man's life? A. Nomadic life. Which weapon was not used by primitive man to hunt animals? A. Gun. In which state is Bhimbetka situated? A. Which activities were not started by primitive man? D. The primitive man means D. Which stage of human being is called hunter and gatherers? A. For which animals did primitive man wander from one place to another? C. What age is called at the time of life of a hunter-gatherers and wanderers? B. With which technology did primitive man associated? D. Which of the following places found in Madhya Pradesh was inhabited by primitive man? B. In which type of cows did primitive man live for protection from rain and wild animals? A. A, D, D, A, C, B, D, B, A. What suggested that primitive men were familiar with the use of fire? B. From which caves of South India have remains of Est been found? A. Which was the invention that brought change in the life of primitive man? A. When the human beings started to live settled life, in which type of habitations did they live in the beginning? D. Who was the first companions of the settled life of human being? C. Which two activities lead primitive man towards settled life? A. Where is Mehergarh currently located? B. Remains of what have been found from Mehergarh? C. In which ancient place of Bihar have the remains of buffaloes, bulls and implements been found? A. In which state of India is Inamgone located? B. And last, what kind of houses have been found in Inamgone? D. B, A, D, C, A, B, C, A, B, D. Okay, next, fill in the blanks. First, primitive man used blank and the skin of animals to cover other body. Stone. Primitive man lived in natural caves to get protection from rain and wild animals. Natural caves have been found in the Vindhya mountain range in central India. Nearly blank paintings drawn by primitive men have been found from the Bhimbetka cows. Primitive men grew grain around the river banks. Primitive men started to make earthen blank to store the grains, pots. Interior primitive man made farming implements from stones. The remains of the wheat barley, sheep, pot and stone implement are around in Mehergarh, presently in Pakistan. Kuldi Hawa, the ancient place, is located in Uttar Pradesh state. The remains of rich sheep, goats and stone implements are found from Mehergarh of Uttar Pradesh. The remains of human colonies and rhinoceroses are found from blank of Gujarat. Langnaj. Burj and Gul Khalifa, the ancient places, are located in Kashmir state. Mehergarh may be considered as the oldest village of ancient India. Primitive men made barns in rectangle houses to store grains. The remains of the dead bodies of children have been found from Inmagans of Maharashtra. Okay, next, number 3. Put a tick mark in the box against the follow statements in they are true and a cross mark if they are false. Primitive man started rearing violent animals with the beginning of settled life. False. Stone implements were used in Stone Age. True. Primitive man has drawn pictures of lion and tiger in Bhimbetka. False. Natural colors have been used in caves of Bhimbetka to draw pictures. True. Primitive men use iron tools. False. Primitive men use clothes to cover body. False. Primitive men had drawn pictures on the walls of cows. True. Now, 8 number. The discovery of fire was revolutionary of the life of human being. True. Primitive man made wheel from iron. It's the false. Growing of grasslands increased the number of herbivorous animals. True. Primitive man rearing cattle for milk. True. Primitive man made farming implements from stone. True. Primitive men cook food in metal utensils. False. The people of Mehergarh live in round shaped houses. False. हमने देखा था ना rectangle था. The people of Inamgon used to grow mills, bajra and barley. True. Match the pairs correctly. Write the correct number of section B in the answer section. Section A. Wheat, barley, sheep, goats and the stone implements currently in Pakistan में हैगा. Rice and the bones of animals, Uttar Pradesh. Human colony and the rhinoceros, Gujarat. Wheat, lentil, dog and pit houses, Kashmir. Buffalo, bull and implements, Bihar. Okay, now next question answers. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First question. Which type of crops were grown by primitive man? The crops like wheat, barley, millet means के बाजरा, rice, lentil, etc. were grown by primitive man. क्वेश्चन को रीड करना, आफ्टर आंसर लिखना. Okay, second, which animals were reared by primitive man? The animals like dogs, sheep, goats, cows, buffaloes, bullocks, etc. were reared by the primitive man. Next, third number. What is the interior stage of primitive man called? The interior stage of primitive man is called hunterers and gatherers. Fourth number. Why did the primitive man wander from one place to another? The primitive man wandered from one place to another in search of food. Who found the places of primitive people's habitations in India? Archaeologists, anthropologists, and historians found the places of primitive people's habitations in India. Third, fourth, fifth. Next, sixth number. Which type of weapons and implements did primitive man use? Primitive man used the weapons and implements made of stones, wood and bones. Why is the interior time of primitive man called the Stone Age? Since primitive men were associated with the stone technology, their interior time is called the Stone Age. How were the implements of Stone Age used? The stones as implements of Stone Age were used to cut the vegetation and to scrape the skin of animals. Which type of places did primitive man prefer to live in? Primitive man preferred to stay in good and large places where stones, woods, and water could be found. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. Which type of and how many paintings have been found in the caves of Bhimbetka? About 500 paintings of birds, deer, wooden spreads, trees, and human beings have been found in the caves of Bhimbetka. 11 number. How can one say that primitive men were familiar with fire? The remains of ashes have been found from the corner located in the South India. Thus, one can say that primitive men were familiar with fire. 12 number. Which discovery and which invention made a significant change in the life of primitive man? Discovery of fire and invention of wheel made a significant change in the life of primitive man. 10, 11, 12. Okay, next 13, 14. How did primitive man first learn to make the wheel? Primitive man learned first to make the wheel from the trunk of a tree and its thick wood. The number of which animals started to increase with atmospheric change. The number of herbivorous animals like deer, sheep, goats, etc. started to increase with atmospheric change. Okay, next 15, 16. In what kind of houses did primitive men live after living in cave? After living in caves, primitive men lived in the houses made up of mud, thatas, and other materials around the growing grains. With what kind of pet animals did primitive men live? Primitive men lived with the pet animals like dogs, sheep, goat, cow, buffaloes, pigs, etc. Due to what activities did the wandering life of primitive men come to an end? Due to the activities of farming and animal husbandry, the wandering life of primitive men came to an end. After the end of wandering life, what changes came in the life of primitive men? After the end of wandering life, the changes in food, clothing, and shelters came in the life to primitive men. Which farming implements did primitive men make from stone? Primitive men made the farming implements like spade or hoe, chisels, sickles, etc. from stone. What was the food of settled primitive men? The food of settled primitive men was wheat, barley, flesh of animals, fish, root, and fruits. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, 21. Which places of primitive man's habitat did archaeologists discover? The archaeologists discovered the places of primitive man's habitat like Burjum, Gulkaran, Hurangi, Meherga, Dangnaj, Bhimbetka, etc. Where the remains of children's dead bodies found. The remains of children's dead bodies were found from the ancient place named Inamgon in Maharashtra. What was the shape of houses found in Meherga? What was found from those houses? The houses found in Meherga was in rectangle shape. Small storage for grain were found from those houses. M24. What belief does the evidence of a god's burial with the dead person in ancient time indicate? The evidence of God's burial with dead persons is found in Meherga. This indicates the belief of imagination of life after the dead bodies. Okay, क्वेश्चन आंसर शॉर्ट कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. सारा वर्कबुक का है, सो आपको इसमें से देख के सब वर्कबुक में फिलअप करना है. 21, 22, 23 and last 24. And last 25. Bhimbetka caves are located in Madhya Pradesh. क्लियर? ओके, यहाँ से नेक्स्ट वीडियो में से कंटिन्यू करेंगे.